sometimes sellers avoid open houses due to the nosy neighbors, but I recommend them, and here's why. Number one, they bring in more potential buyers, and that open house draws curiosity. People who might not be 100% sure, they just come in and they drop by and potentially decide ready to make the leap. Extra people seeing your home means it's better chance to get an early offer. Number two, we get feedback. And if several buyers are suggesting a paint change or small fixes, we can make those small, fast adjustments that will maximize your price. Number three, open houses gets neighbors and buyers talking to other agents and all about your home. And that feedback is very important because your buyer could be from multiple different sources. Could be social media posts or advertising or word of mouth or door dropping flyers or just agents networking with each other. So my point is open houses do matter, especially as we go into a different real estate market. Follow me for more tips.